Welcome guys, welcome to Forex Live Traders. Now in today's session I'm going to just go over a few topics. You know what, I just think I'll just go over one topic, and that is actually trend following. So in this session we're going to use the 100 MA and the 50 MA to identify when a market is in a certain trend, and I'm also going to show you a method which I used myself to follow a trend of a market. So first of all, we're going to identify the trend of the market using the 100 MA and the 50 MA. Then I'm going to show you how I enter a trade whenever the market's in a particular trend. Now let us find the MA. I'm using trading view, so I'm going to add two moving averages. Going to go to settings, put this length to 50. I'm going to make it green. I'm going to change the thickness of the line. Alright, now let me do the other one. This one will be our 100 MA. No, okay. Now you guys can go ahead and place these moving averages on your charts just like how I did just a while ago. Now first and foremost, this strategy can be used on any currency pair, but I tend to use it on more friendly currency pair which normally tends to trend in a particular direction for maybe a minimum of maybe 3 days or more. So I love to use this strategy with Euro USD, AUD NZD, and also USD JPY. And sometimes I use it with AUD USD, because AUD USD is a market, it's a trendy market, I would like to call it. Now let me tell you how this strategy works. Now what we're actually looking for is we're looking for the 50 MA to cross the 100 MA. So right here where we have the 50 MA crossing the 100 MA is what we're looking for. But what you got to understand is if the 50 MA crosses the 100 MA from above going down like we're seeing right here, so it's above the 100 MA, so the green is the 50, the red one or the pinkish one is the 100 MA. So if the 50 MA is above the 100 MA and it crosses the 100 MA going down, that means a downtrend is starting. Now as you can see, it went down for a while, it retraced to this point, and then we would enter. Now for beginners, I know you'll be asking this question, how will I know the retracement is finished? Now let me show you a little trick that you can do to know when the market reaches in a particular area. You can look for a uptrend or you can look for a retracement to finish. Now let me show you something. Now there's a rule in the Forex trading that says every support will become a resistance in the future, and every resistance will become a support in the future as well. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to find some minor and some major support points which will become support and resistance point in the future as well. Let me change it to this view so I'll be able to see it more vividly. Now because we're in a downtrend, I'm going to place one here So what I'm doing is I'm just pinpointing out some resistance and support points. Alright. Now I'm going to place the 100 and the 50 MA back on the graph. Now, as you can see, let me see here. Resistance right here. Alright, now as you can see, the 50 and the 100 MA crosses here. It's up to you if you would sell it at this position when it crosses, but what I normally do is when it crosses, I normally wait for it to retest or pull back, and I will normally enter the trade on the pullback. So as you can see in here, the trade actually reached a line, reached this point which was drawn, so this area which I like to call alert here, and it was a previous support which it became a resistance over here. Now I would have entered the market here, then the market would have run, then the market would have pulled back to this area. So when it reached this area and I see bearish candle are forming, I will enter the market once more. It's all depends, because remember, fundamental analysis normally tends to be technical analysis. So when actually entering these trades, you need to keep track of the news that are coming out on Euro USD, so you know that you don't actually sell a currency when it's actually strong, or you don't buy a currency when it's actually weak. So basically that's the strategy in its essence. So first of all, you wait for the 50 MA to cross the 100 MA. So if it's crossing the 100 MA from above going down, it's in a downtrend, and what we do next is that we wait on the pullbacks, which will normally occur at the alerts area that we would have drawn. I hope you guys get that. So as you can see, it did a little cross right here, so it crossed the 100 MA from below going up, meaning a slight uptrend will be starting. As you can see right here, it actually pulled back to this point, little retracement, and it went up. Then you have a little retracement here as well. It's respecting the line that we drawn in the past. So basically I tend to use this strategy a lot because it's very effective, and I hope you guys will like it. And I think this is the end of this video. Hope you guys like this video, and I hope you try this strategy. Try it on maybe enter maybe 15 to 20 trades, or even up to 100 trades with it, and see if it works out for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Alright, goodbye guys. See you next time.